Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our superior double room at the Mecenate Palace Hotel in Rome, so let's take a look. Come into the room, you can see it's lovely, beautifully decorated. We have a double bed with a beautiful headboard and mirrors on both sides of the bed. We've got night tables as well and lights on both sides, and lovely decorations. Also have this beautiful trim around the ceiling, which is very nice high ceiling. Another night table and a luggage rack, and one of the best features of the room is this view, which is amazing. This is the Piazza di Santa Maria Maggiore, and that's the Basilica right there. So amazing view from our window in our room, right out on the piazza, one of the piazzas in Rome. So coming back into the room, we have two comfortable chairs and a little coffee table, more beautiful artwork and lights on the wall, a nice big desk, little flat screen TV, and over here we have a closet with more full-length mirrors. So nice hanging space for your garments, and a little dresser with drawers for more storage space and extra bedding. And then over here we have more storage space and a safe for your valuables. Got a coffee and tea service, which is very nice. And then down here is a mini fridge, which is stocked. It's not included, so you do have to pay for it. But it's nice that we have a mini fridge and it's fully stocked. And then, last but not least, coming into the bathroom, it's very nice. You have a double vanity and a great big mirror and a makeup mirror. And then in here you have the facilities, of course, and a bidet, and a nice big soaking tub, which is very nice, and a shower as well. So just a beautiful bathroom in this superior double room at the Mecenate Hotel and Palace in Rome, which is in a great location with a beautiful view, again, right out on the piazza. So when you're ready to book your cruise coming in or out of Rome, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.